play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not understanding.
Guys, it's the next day, day 2 of Orlando trip, but today is the first day of Rolling Loud, like the actual performance, so we're not gonna get there until a little later because the performers that we want to see aren't performing until a little later, and we don't want to be all hot and just sit there not enjoying music, you know? Okay, so right now it is 8:47, and I don't know what we're about to do, but we just woke up. Buddy is using the bathroom. Okay, but yeah, we're about to do that. We'll just chill, and we'll make a plan like a little later. But that's my little intro to y'all for the day. Bye. We're now in this gift shop. Well, not what was the gift shop? And it's a deli, and they got wings here, y'all. They got wings. It's in our hotel. But yeah, you find anything you want?
Yeah, luckily, I mean, I've seen the...
You seen Chips Ahoy, right? His favorite thing. That's cool. You gonna get it? Oh. I think you should get it, y'all. But y'all, they have Bodak ramen. You gonna buy that?
Yes.
Nice. Okay.
Let's go see what...
So they have breakfast?
I have those tacos.
We just got breakfast, but I'm not really a big breakfast person, so... But yeah, I'm definitely gonna get this Bodak later. I want Bodak. If y'all know me, y'all know I used to eat like 5 packs of Bodak in a day. It was bad. But I got this chocolate. I got this chocolate milk. I used to drink this chocolate milk all the time. Bro, what the hell is going on? Okay, I'll come back when I found something else. Let's go. So, we're getting ready because we're about to go to the beach in a second. And we're gonna make them brush these teeth. Wipe my teeth soon. We have an hour ride to the beach. Hour and 12-minute ride to the beach. But that's what we're doing right now. We're just getting ready. And I'll see y'all when we're in the car. We're at the beach. Deuces. Just made it to the beach. The water, beautiful. And it's super quiet here too. Nice little chill beach. But yeah, we're gonna go swimming in the water. And yeah, we got snacks. Little area. Oh shoot, someone behind us.
Huh?
But yeah, so we're just gonna be relaxing, chilling on the beach. Okay, we'll see y'all a little later. We're having such a good time at the beach. My man. But yeah, we're gonna be here for like a chill hour because we have our little show tonight. You see Georgiana, she performs at 4. Okay, she performs at 4:30, and we have an hour ride back. And you know we gotta get ready. So yeah, that's what we're doing. And yeah, I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Deuces. Okay, you guys, we are about to walk into the stadium. I'm using my phone now because
It's hot.
yeah, I'm using my phone now because I don't think I can bring my camera in. So that's what we're doing right now. But I think we're trying to see Georgiana at 4:30. See Georgiana at 4:30, so and it's like 4 something. So hopefully we get into the entrance really quick, and then we get to see her. Hey y'all, I'm mad as fuck right now. Like I'm actually pissed. So for my wristband, it was like, well, like my wristband was like, it was weird, right? But it still scanned, like it scanned fucking green. This little bitch, she made me go and stand in line for like 30 minutes, and then I had to go to a different line because I was in the wrong line apparently. And then when I get up there, people checked me in and was like, why did they send you up here? They were mad as hell too, because I was just stupid. I was just waiting there. But they gave me another wristband for free. So I missed Georgiana and Rugrat, and that's who I wanted to see the most.
Yeah, they were playing games at the front. So stupid, bro. She couldn't see like two of her favorite performers because somebody wasn't doing their job right and she wanted to be done. It's stupid.
But yeah, I don't know who we're seeing now. I want to see Laser Dim in a second. So, and then Chief keeps performing like he's like overlapping his performance right over here. But yeah, I'll see y'all at Laser's show.
It's really cheap close up there. That's crazy.
Good morning, y'all. It is day 2 of Rolling Loud.
Day 2 with it.
Yes, and we're hopefully gonna have a better day today. And I think at 9:30 we're gonna do helicopter rides.
Yeah, we're gonna go take a fly around the city.
Yeah, guys, sorry I'm so bad at like filming outros to my videos. I just say okay, and then I just don't say anything after that. But apparently I was allowed to bring my camera into the stadium yesterday, so I'm gonna try to do it today. Okay, but yeah, I'm gonna go to Target, get some stuff, and then we're gonna get ready to do. Well, we need to eat. We need to eat, and then we're gonna get ready to do helicopter rides. So I'll see y'all a little later. Deuces. So we just got ready. My outfit, my baby's outfit, and we're gonna go to do helicopter rides now. So I'm excited, y'all. It's my first time flying on a helicopter.
Same. I ain't never been on a helicopter. We about to try it out.
Yes, it's gonna be fun though. So I'll see y'all when I'm at the helicopter spot. Deuces. So we're gonna get on the helicopter soon. I'm a little nervous. Are you nervous?
Mm-mm.
He's nervous, y'all. But yeah, that's the helicopter right there. Oh,
Is that zoom?
yeah, I'm trying to zoom it in. That's a helicopter, you guys. But yeah, that's what we're doing right now. We're waiting for our pilot to come, and I'll see y'all when I'm in the air. Bye.
Later.
Not turning it on you. What the? Okay, bye y'all. took a nap, and then we got ready for day 2. My outfit, y'all. This is his outfit. But I'm still gonna wear my shoes that are in the car. But yeah, I'm really excited. Are you excited, babe?
I am.
But that's what we're gonna do. So we're heading to Rolling Loud right now. Bye. Or I'll be back. Deuces. Y'all, so we made it to the show. Until Japan performs at 5:20.
Y'all, we headed to the Verizon stage right now. You know what I'm saying? Day 2, Rolling Loud, and this time we made it through with no complications.
No, I literally just scanned my shit. He scanned his shit.
Got it.
We're good.
And I got the towel for when that sun started beaming me, boy.
It's the fit, y'all. Hold on. Wait, it's not showing the fit, but I'll show y'all later. But yeah, we're about to go to Japan. I don't know who's playing right now, but he's on the Verizon stage, so we're headed over to the Verizon stage. Yeah. So we're actually going to see Rag Baby first. Doing that right now. He's actually that's where we're going. So we just finished Rock Baby and we're about to see Until Japan, and we're pretty close.
Yeah, you want to show them? Yeah, we're close. And never don't do it justice, but we're pretty close.
We might actually get closer. Let's go. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Yeah, the stage is right here.
Oh shit, we're right fucking here. Look how close we are.
Rolling Loud! If you're ready for Until Japan, make some motherfucking noise!
If you let me back in this shit, I got tired of fucking that bitch. I got tired of wanting my dick. Feel like we back in this bitch for real. I tell my brother to chill them pills. I try to see you get rich for real.
I was lying to my mama, she ain't know I was in the studio. Yeah, I'm talking about mama, I know you don't get it, but wait till this money come. Sorry, my brother, I know it don't make this money come. Yeah, look at little bro. I'm in the air, they gave me the keys, I'm coolin' and really my turn. I pop on some bread, they get some of my bread, I'm really a businessman now. I'm a businessman now. I put my syrup just a little different than y'all, I got a little chip on my shoulder. I put my syrup just a little different than y'all, I got a little chip on my shoulder. I put my switching my tongue now. I don't even follow you, dog, you watching your tone, stick to the box now. One question, if the world was ending now, would you hold my hand? I'm trying to show you out, would you fuck my friend? Pretty hoes be doing it right, what did they get? Show
watched Chucky, but we only watched like one performance, well, two. But now we're about to see Baby Chief do it.
Baby Chief do it.
And he's in the Verizon tent. So that's what we're doing right now. Having fun. Yeah. So we'll see y'all when Baby Chief performs. It's a lot of people, y'all.
This shit sweet because I'm little. I bet you ain't never got chased by a midget. My bitch keep calling my phone thinking I'm with a whole town. I'm outside spinning. I low key feel bad for niggas. They sing my songs, I fuck they bitches. I'm gon' get rich or die slamming. Nigga, this life ain't full again. Till folks say, I'm all that ass don't know how to listen. You wanna come to this grass, man? So where am I? You wanna kill me? That's your brain. Keep on digging. I ain't gon' fuck. Most of my niggas, I just be chillin'. Slack. All these niggas, get the fuck out the kitchen. Bounce out the cops. What's off there? Some of you niggas is not working. Shit, I'm tired of it. Some of y'all blocks is not worth spending. I fuck two good friends. They see a lazy. I got out here. All of the talk.
So we just finished watching Baby Chief do it, and then now we're waiting to see Destroy Lonely. He comes on at 7. He comes on at 7.
Now you wonder where the FB been. But I'm back to life like an FB been.
So yeah, we're gonna wait here and see his performance.
Cardi in 1 hour. Play by Cardi in 1 hour.
So we just finished watching Destroy Lonely, and we're sitting down waiting for Cardi to play. He plays in like an hour.
Yeah, we got about 50 minutes to an hour. He's probably gonna be late, so maybe more.
Yeah.
Are we gonna stay for the whole thing or?
I feel like it's gonna be so much traffic, so much shit going on after. So we're gonna stay for a few songs, then
We gonna head back to the schmotel and we gonna chill. We gonna have a great night. Maybe we can hit the bath.
oh yeah, we have a jacuzzi bathroom. I want to hit that so bad. So we may do that. Okay, bye. Peace out.
homicide. I've been thinking about homicide. If you know this song,
Okay, you guys, so I'm on my phone now because my camera died. But we just finished Playboy Cardi. It was actually amazing. Even though he was 25-30 minutes late, it was still good. So we're walking to the car right now, and we're gonna go to our hotel, shower, change into our PJs, and I don't know, have some food. But yeah, we're gonna just chill at the hotel for now. But I'll see y'all a little later. We're about to leave for Rolling Loud Big 3. This is the last day, and I'm super upset. But we're gonna have fun. We're not gonna stay for too long. Cause I just want to see 9 Lives, and then we're gonna see Prada Bag Shawty and Boss Man D-Lo. And then after, we're gonna head down to the pool and just chill for the rest of the night. Cause tomorrow we leave. I don't want to leave. I had so much fun with my man. This is our first vacation, so that's what we're doing right now. Oh, I'll show y'all my fit. So this is just something. Babe, you ready?
You taking a vlog? I'm waiting for you to hit the door.
Okay, so it's the fit for today. It's just something simple. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do right now. So I'll see y'all when I'm there. Bye. So this is our last day, and we're about to go see 9 Lives. He had to go pick up another wristband because his was too tight, so he cut it off yesterday. But we're about to go see 9 Lives right now. He's performing at Zigzags. That's what we're about to do. Okay, I'll see y'all when I'm there. We just finished 9 Live set. That's like the only set we stayed the whole time at.
Yeah, pretty much.
So yeah, right now we're gonna take a little break, maybe find something to eat or something. But
hey, they had us on the big screen. The cameraman was panning, and I was like, and then twice they put it near Shmila on the big screen.
yeah.
slime, shoot a shot, a flat, slime on crazy with that man.
So, this is what we're doing right now.
Only thing I know to do is shit on y'all when I'm pissed off. When I put up kick out, old school say they on the phone, in the streets, I'm high loud. I make a phone call, I'm talking to a girl. I've been trying to move in without the U-Haul. In the back of the bin, smoking a new Haul. In LA with 4 friends, this shit like Lou Haul. You gon' find me winning, I don't care who lost. I'm still.
This dude is eating a corn dog, y'all.
Hey, no shame in my game. Matter of fact,
She ready. My face sell like a wedding. Thought you gon' pop shit. Why you hezzy? Need to go to fuck up, be kidding. I be high as hell.
Guys, we're at the biggest McDonald's in Orlando. Look. It's huge. Look at that pizza. Sorry. No, they got cake. Oh, they got ice cream. Superman ice cream. 2 floors in this McDonald's. So, we're about to... This don't feel right. But we're about to go see what's on the 2nd floor right now. So, let's go see. Oh, shit.
it's hot in here though.
Yeah.
Alright guys, I took over the vlog. Leela's using the bathroom, washing up because we dirty from Rolling Live. I have a toothache going on, so I'm trying to be cool. But I don't know if y'all know what a toothache is like. A severe one at that, but well, I don't even wish this on my worst enemy. I don't want this happening to nobody. But hey, if there's a will, there's a way. You know what I'm saying? Leela gonna see this and be like, what? When did he take a video? Yep. Lots of pain, but lots of fun. Right. Y'all will see Leela next. Later.
Okay, guys, so I got a Oreo Blizzard and a McChicken. It was so cool in there. How do you think? How do you think?
It was sick. Y'all should have seen the upstairs. We didn't really record the upstairs, but it was like an arcade, and then they had the huge play. Oh, you did? Okay. Yeah, but they had the plays going from, it spanned from the 1st floor to the 2nd, and then there was a gift shop that I'm not sure that she's seen.
I didn't.
You didn't see the gift shop? Bro, there's a gift shop in there for, like, you know, at arcades when you win the tickets and stuff.
Yeah, I thought this if you had tickets only.
Yeah, there was that. And then, yeah, it was pretty sick.
Yeah, that was pretty cool. But now everybody goes back to the hotel for real this time.
For real. Here's this
And
great
then-
camera.
Thank you. But yeah, so we'll see you when we're back at the hotel and when I'm done eating my food.